Hello and welcome everybody from the Canadian side of the Niagara Falls. In the last vlog we walked around the falls and we visited all sightseeing attractions, including a cruising trip on the Niagara River. In this episode I will extend those recordings and I will show you more from that cruising trip. So let's get started. First we will take a funicular down to the banks of the Niagara River. This is where we'll take the boat. So of course we need to reach the pier first. This is where we'll get the boat, and we'll get very close to the Horseshoe waterfall and also to the American waterfall. Yes, that will be absolutely amazing. I can't wait for it. I'm very excited, as you can hear in my voice. And this cruising trip will take like 20 minutes. This looks like serious pollution. I'm really shocked. I don't know it's because of these cruising trips, because of these ships, but it's really ugly. Looks like some kind of chemical stuff, or I don't know. It's really dirty. After 20 minutes waiting to board, finally we got on the cruising ship. Absolutely amazing view, already closer to the American Falls. People keep pushing here, it's absolutely unpolite and they don't care, they just want to get closer and closer. Like their life is depending on it. Absolutely overcrowded, but yeah. Let's focus on the nice view.
Just half. See some turbulence models there. Good environment for validation. We have a waterfall that's pouring water perpendicular to the musical river. Yeah. So how did this thing go? Like there's like erosion and stuff, right? Yeah. Shouldn't it always be? To me, that makes sense. But the same for the... No, right? Yeah, they're making it weird. They're looking at us in a weird way. What the fuck is this? This guy is really what they do.
This was really once in a lifetime experience, absolutely amazing. I can't stop smiling. I hope that you also enjoyed it. So this was the vlog about Niagara Falls. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if that's so, please subscribe to my channel if you didn't do it yet. It's very important to push on the bell icon, because this is how you get notified about the new contents. Have a nice day and goodbye.
Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. Baby, let it be. Enjoy